Dom, a lot of high short interest. Things haven't changed all that much from a few years ago, but they're coming from a much lower base.
The more things change, the more they stay the same, right? So high short interest, and you couple it with a lot of internet chatter, a lot of mentions on the Wall Street Bets forum, on places like Reddit, and you get some of that volatility mix that we've seen. If you take a look at GameStop, AMC Entertainment, and Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop, of course, what many call the OG, the original one, right? The original of those meme stocks, is the one that's really outperforming, up about 8% so far this year-to-date period. AMC is still down 17%, and Bed Bath & Beyond, despite the massive moves that we've seen over the last couple of weeks here, is still off about a third of its value over that time period. But it's this volatility here that we're focused a little bit more on, because if you look at that short interest, this is the way it's playing out right now. Some of these names, especially the original meme stocks, have seen quite a bit of short interest in their shares. If you take a look at the shares that they have short or bet against it versus the number that they have of shares outstanding, GameStop, roughly 20% of its shares outstanding is held short, bet against, right? About 19% for AMC Entertainment, and a whopping 36% for Bed Bath & Beyond. So among these three, Bed Bath & Beyond could have the most volatility if people do decide to push this around with regard to possibly covering shorts and whatnot. But if you take a look at the Russell 2000 index, where many of these stocks that have high short interest live, that's where you start to see even perhaps more short interest that could drive some of the action there. Other names besides some of these meme stocks that have seen some interest there are the ones that you've known about or that we've talked about quite a bit over the time in period. Take a look at EVgo on the alternative energy side of things.